So good day everyone, welcome to this tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to start business registration in Nigeria step by step. So this video will be the part 1 of the series. I'm recording this video for my students, and if you are benefit of this video, you are very lucky. So this is the CAC portal. When I search on the browser, I'm using Chrome browser. So this is the CAC. You go to the home, you open the website. This is their home page. And what you are really concerned about in this place is two major key button here: the public search and then the public search and online registration. So these are the step by step of registration. You can register a company, business name, incorporated trustee. Incorporated trustee are for church, for mosques, for associations, for foundation, while this one are for small business owner. This one are for limited company. So let's say we have a name that we want to register. The first thing that we have to do is to do public search. So I'm going to click on public search, and we can see now that it's leading us to another section, which is search.cac.gov.ng. So let me say that I want to register Biodun Ventures. For instance, I will just click on search. You wait for it to load. Sometimes the network may be slow down, but you wait for it to load. So you wait for it to load, and you can see here that we have different type of company here. This is business name, which is for ventures, enterprises, small business owner. This one is for company. This is where we have limited company. This one is incorporated trustee, which have churches, foundation, associations. So you can see I'm searching for Abiodun Ventures. This is what I'm seeing: Abiodun Adewale Ventures, Abiodun God Gift Ventures. This is what I'm seeing here. So this is what I'm seeing here: Abiodun Richard Ventures. So you can see that these people, they are adding another thing to the Abiodun Ventures. So which means they have already tried Abiodun Ventures and it's not going. That is, someone has been using that name. And the most funniest thing is that you may not even see it when you are searching for it here sometimes because of their network. So when you are seeing something like this, I advise you not to use it. So let's say you want to use this thing, you can add one of your name to it. Let's say your name is Samson. Samson, for instance, Samson Abiodun Ventures. I'm just giving this one for instance. So let's say this is your name. You can use this one, or you can come to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to generate a business name for you. Generate a business name. A business name from my name. You just put your name, Adebayo Abiodun Jones. Okay, you can say generate a unique business name. So let's see what will happen. So I believe ChatGPT will give us a good response. So we can see it now: John Bayo Innovation. Wow, this is a good name. So we can see this name now. You can see different name. By the time we come here to search again, let's see. Just wait for it to load. You are going to wait for it to load. Like I said earlier, searching on their portal may be very slow down, and you have to wait for it. You have to carefully wait for it to load. So you have to wait before you go ahead to start your registration. So it's not showing. Let's click on business name. You wait for it. You wait for it to load. Okay, it's not showing. I think you can go ahead with this name so hard it's not showing when you search for it, because it's even a unique name, John Bayo. You can go ahead for it, Adebanjo, Adebajo, Abi Johnson Creation. So you can see the name is very unique, and I think people may have not been using this name. So when you are doing your own, make sure you do a thorough searching before you proceed in your registration. So after doing that, after having a business name and after doing a public search, the next thing we are going to do is to do name reservation. And before we do that, we need to open an account on the CAC portal. So you click on online registration. This is where the name will start. You click on online registration.
For Nigeria, the company.
So when you click on online registration, this is where you are going to land. And you can see carefully, these are 4 options here. There are 4 steps here. The step 1 is to do a public search, while the second one is to reserve a name. So this is the second step of registering a business. So you are going to click on reserve a name, and it's going to take you to another panel. So in these sections, you are going to create account with the CAC. If you don't have account with them, you are going to create account. Like I told my students yesterday in the virtual class, you have to create a personal account. So what you have to do is to click on sign up. You click on sign up, you input your phone number, then you click on next. Please don't click any of this, just leave this like this. Don't turn on this if you have not registered before, or if you have registered and your registration is having problem or has not been approved, you can click on this one to continue. Then if you are not in Nigeria, you can click this one, but if you are not, don't click on it. So when you click on the next button, you proceed by inputting your name, your address, your date of birth, your gender, and every other thing. Then you include your NIN, or if it is your international passport, then you do the registration. So I will be providing a ebook guide in this class. I will be providing, and I will be attaching it to the class. I also sent it to my student on the WhatsApp yesterday, which is a complete guide on CAC registration. This is a document that is issued by the Corporate Affairs Commission. So if you don't have it, please kindly DM me, chat me on WhatsApp, or say I need it in the comment section of this video. I will definitely send it to you. So you are welcome. Make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification button so that you can see the next video I'm going to send on CAC registration. I believe this video is helpful. Make sure you like it, comment, and share. Thank you.